Hello everyone. We have started our lesson number 6, physical and chemical changes. In this lesson we have studied about what are physical changes. Physical changes are nothing but the change in which only physical properties of a substance are changed. They are called physical change. So today we are going to learn about chemical change. So in the book it is given first about the rusting. It is a chemical change. So we'll see one by one what is chemical change. Now to introduce chemical change, I will give you one example. Suppose your mother tell you to keep a milk bottle in the refrigerator and you forgot to keep it in the refrigerator, and next day morning when you come and see that bottle kept outside the refrigerator, what happens to it? The milk will get spoil. Okay, so now this type of change is the chemical change because actual milk has been converted into a new substance now. Okay, so that change is called as chemical change. The change in which new substances are formed and the new substances show entirely different property from the original ones is called chemical change. Now in another picture you can see four different pictures they are shown here. Now rusting is also one type of chemical change. Okay, so you will understand what is rusting. From the picture you will understand what is rusting. In the first picture, characteristics of reaction are given. Chemical change is an irreversible change. तो reverse होत नाही. It forms a new substance. Chemical composition of the substance change during chemical change. Chemical composition मध्ये change होतो. Okay, and properties of the new substance are entirely different from the original substance. As in the meeting also I explained you that when a wood is burned, it lost the properties of wood and a new substance is formed, that is ash, and ash has different chemical properties than wood. Okay, so this is called the chemical change. Now another example is rusting of iron. Iron metals when combined with oxygen in presence of water, it form a brown layer on it. Okay. This brown color hydrated iron oxide is called rust, and this process of formation of rust is called rusting of iron. तुम्ही बघितलं असेल लोखंडाची कोणतीही वस्तू घ्या, when it comes in contact with air, oxygen and water, it forms a one layer of brown color. त्यालाच आपण रस्टिंग म्हणतो आणि in our language we call it तांबीर. तांबीर लागली आपण असं म्हणतो. So this is also a chemical change. Now what happens actually in the rusting? You can see in the first picture that color has changed of that iron. Iron gets combined with oxygen present in the air. Okay, so iron plus oxygen plus water. पाऊस पडला की पाण्याशी कॉन्टॅक्ट तर होतोच त्याचा. इट गिव्स आयर्न ऑक्साईड. ओके, त्यालाच आपण रस्ट म्हणतो. दिस इज द रिॲक्शन, ॲक्च्युअल रिॲक्शन व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन द rusting process. Now how to prevent this rusting? So there are different methods to prevent the rusting of iron or metal. We can apply a color on the rusting. Color prevents the rusting, not totally prevents, but it gives some time for the iron to prevent from the rusting. म्हणजे थोड्या काळापर्यंत तरी ते रस्टिंग फास्ट होतं, but because of coloring it get more time. Now see here, prevention of rusting. The different pictures are shown here. First I just told you that coloring, give coating of color on the metal. This will slow the process of corrosion. Now ह्यालाच रस्टिंगलाच corrosion असं म्हणतात. Okay, corrosion is also same word for the rusting. Second is galvanization process, which also prevents the rusting of iron. What is galvanization? The process of applying a protective झिंक कोटिंग ऑन द स्टील और आयर्न. झिंक ह्याचा कोटिंग केला जातो and because of that rusting is prevented. Okay, another is chrome plating. Now chrome is what? Chrome plating is a technique of electroplating a thin layer of chromium on a metal. Okay, like our cars असतात आपले vehicles, so they are also coated with this chromium. As you see in the picture, like steel coating is given on that metal. Because of that rusting avoid. Now साधं सुद्धा उदाहरण मी देते. Copper also turns black whenever it comes in contact with oxygen and water. कॉपर म्हणजे तांब्याची भांडी. Nowadays copper vessels are made with the outer steel layer and inside it is copper layer. Because of that steel coating ते बाहेरून काळं पडत नाही. So this is also a chemical reaction or chemical change, we can say. So first, today we have studied about rusting of iron, how to prevent that rusting by painting, by galvanization and by chromium plating or chrome plating. So this is the reaction. Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3. This reaction is of rusting. So we have seen different examples. In the next period, we'll see activity 6.6. For today, we'll stop here. Thank you.